Hey friend, thanks for joining me today. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick oil change on my 1999 Honda Civic EK hatchback. Okay, so as you can see, we don't need much in order to do this job nice and easy. Of course, we need your oil with the right grade, couple wrenches for our drain plug, light source in case you're working in the dark, your oil filter and possibly a new washer, and of course your funnel and your drain pan. Now that that's out of the way, in case you were wondering or in case you're not sure what type of grade of oil you need, just check your oil cap like what I'm doing here. It says here that we need 5W30, and if your oil cap doesn't say, you can either check your manuals, owner's manual, or go online and Google it up. First thing you gotta do is lift the car up nice and safely. Okay guys, so that's our drain plug right there. I'll encircle it. Next thing we know is we want to set our drain pan down here to catch the old oil. Okay, let's get on it. I believe it's a 17. Loosen it up. Now the oil is going to arch, so be sure to have your drain pan ready. See it coming. One motion, nice and easy. Now I went for a quick drive this morning just to kind of warm it up so that way it'll flow faster. Okay guys, now that the oil is currently draining, we gotta take off the filter, which is located just below the intake and behind the engine block. Now I don't know how I'm gonna sneak in my camera because it is too big. I'll see if I can insert a picture or something, but basically you undo that and replace it with the new filter, and then we'll be back on topping up the oil. Okay guys, now as we wait for the oil to drain further, it'll be a nice idea to replace this crush washer that's in the plug with the new one that came with your filter. If your filter doesn't come with one, then just reuse your old one, I guess. Won't come off. New one is over here. There we go, now it's off. Replace it with a new one that came with your filter. Like so. Just to avoid leaks. Okay everyone, now that the old oil filter is off, what I like to do on the new filter is put a little bit of oil on the rubber gasket. That way it seals it better and it won't seize, if ever. Meaning it'll give you an easier time taking it off the next time you do your oil change. And I'll show you how to do that. Just a little bit, just like that. Grab some with your pinky like so. And just line him up, just like that. Okay guys, now that the oil filter is in, just want to double check that the drain plug is also nice and tight. Not too tight, but just snug. So that way we can now lower the car and put the new oil in. Just make sure everything is nice and snug so that way when you put the oil in, it doesn't leak and cause any more mess. Now let's do that. one side's all done, and we'll get the side as well out of the way. Now that that's out of the way, we can lower it now. Okay guys, now that the car is nice and even on the ground, here comes the fun part. Actually pouring in the oil. Now check your owner's manual as to how much your engine can take, but I believe it's about 3.78 liters, so just under 4. So 1 5-liter jug, just like our Pennzoil here, should be good enough. Okay, let's do it. Grab your funnel. Nice and easy. Grab your oil, guys. Have a rag ready so we can check our oil levels. Like so. Oh, I think we should be good, guys. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the car and check if we have any leaks underneath. I hope not. We got oil pressure. Let's check underneath. Looks like we got no leaks. Okay guys, now that we're sure that we don't have any leaks underneath, it is nice to double check once the oil has come back down. It is nice to double check the level again. I just did mine and I just found out that we are only halfway through the fill mark, and that just means we gotta top it off so it's nice and full. So let's do that. Great, looks like, and we're back to normal. Okay guys, now that we are done with topping up the oil, just gotta double check everything. So we have the oil filter nice and snug, we have the drain plug nice and snug, we have the oil top at the fill mark. The last thing to do, and I personally do this myself, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I like recording the mileage and the date that I did my oil change on like a little notebook in the glove box, like so. So we'll do that now. I have what? Exactly 59,901 kilometers. So we'll write that down and we'll call it a day. If you enjoyed that and you feel like subscribing, go for it. It'll help me out. Again, thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you on the next one.